Before we start, hit that subscribe button so you never miss quick Google Sheets tips like this. Today, I'll show you how to enter data into a Google Sheet cell so you can start building and managing your spreadsheets with ease. Open Google Sheets in your browser by going to sheets.google.com. Sign into your Google account if you haven't already so your work is saved automatically. Once you're in, either open an existing spreadsheet or create a new blank one. The grid you see is made up of cells and each cell can hold text, numbers or formulas. Click on the cell where you want to add your data. You can also navigate using your keyboard's arrow keys. Double click to enter edit mode and you will see a blinking cursor inside the cell. Type the information you want, whether it's text, numbers or a formula. When you're done, press enter or click outside the cell to save your entry. And that's it. You've successfully entered data into a Google Sheets cell. With a bit of practice, this will become second nature and you'll be ready to explore formatting, formulas, and other powerful features. If you found this helpful, like this video, drop a comment and subscribe for more quick Google Sheets guides.